This is one of our preferred routes here on our channel. So much that we have distributed numerous recordings about it, benefits, plans, and so on. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, give us your likes and tell us what you think about the video. In any case, we despite everything see numerous individuals utilizing turmeric the incorrect path in their day-by-day lives. Otherwise called curcumin, it is an astounding calming. There are numerous papers and logical investigations which contrast turmeric with calming meds sold in drugstores, and show turmeric's helpful force in medications for torments, joint pain, arthrosis, and so on. In the event that you need to know progressively, simply click on the video being recommended to you. Mitigating medications can cause many symptoms when utilized for quite a while. For instance, they can overburden the liver, which may cause hepatic steatosis, additionally known as greasy liver illness. On the off chance that you use turmeric for quite a while, you will see the turnaround occurs. Turmeric invigorates mending and maintains a strategic distance from the fibrosis that occurs in liver cells, along these lines, improving the organs working. Also that it additionally decreases joint torments, improving capacity and articular versatility. There are additionally numerous other astonishing advantages for the individuals who use turmeric the correct way, consistently. For instance, heart partner curcumin diminishes the terrible cholesterol, decreases diabetes, and controls pulse. Thusly, improves heart well-being, making it more grounded. Gets your cerebrum in fit structure as indicated by considers curcumin has a few neuroprotective properties, remembering an improvement for discernment. In this way, to lessen the odds of creating neurodegenerative illnesses, for example, Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It's prescribed to ingest turmeric. Improves assimilation and weight reduction. Turmeric encourages protein absorption and disposes of poisons from the liver. As indicated by look into distributed in the Diary of Sustenance, this zest assists with weight misfortune by forestalling fat creation and quickening digestion. Forestalls malignant growth. Turmeric is genuinely an enemy of disease flavor. As per contemplates, there is a potential connection among age and malignancy, the mature age ailment. Curcumin can help battle leukemia, and gastrointestinal, bosom, ovary, and numerous different tumors. Encourages mending, being a characteristic and strong germicide. What's more, antibacterial, turmeric assists with consumes and cuts and is additionally acceptable in the treatment for psoriasis. Individuals with skin inflammation and sleek skin can likewise get great outcomes from the zest. A positive state of mind perpetually. Did you realize that even your disposition can improve? When did you begin utilizing more turmeric in your day-by-day life? It has incredible impacts when used to treat gloom. Be that as it may, there are numerous individuals utilizing this amazing characteristic cure the incorrect way, thus they can't get all the advantages it brings to the table. Become familiar with the correct method to devour turmeric and potentialize your supplement assimilation. To utilize turmeric and get all these stunning advantages, you should utilize piperine, additionally known as a characteristic mitigating separated from dark pepper. It is extraordinary for the body and builds multiple times the retention of turmeric, B complex, nutrients, nutrient N, and selenium. Piperine likewise supports your digestion, encouraging fat consumption. Other than dark pepper, utilizing great fats will enable your body to retain turmeric. For this blend, choose olive oil, coconut oil or ghee. However, how might you ingest this blend in a charming manner? A decent choice is an espresso. We have just discussed drinking espresso and coconut oil, which has a stimulating impact. Furthermore, blending these four fixings can be an extraordinary method to get all the advantages from turmeric. You can follow this formula. In some dark espresso, include 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and a spot of dark pepper. Utilize a hand blender to blend everything and it's prepared. On the off chance that you don't care for espresso, another great alternative is to make a serving of mixed greens dressing with these 3 fixings. The mix of these 3 groundbreaking fixings will make it simpler for your body to ingest all the supplements and get all the advantages.